This is a finished sales page, animated sections, a mobile layout, a working buy button, and I built the whole thing with one prompt. No designer, no page builder, no template. That's it scrolling right now, and I'm going to build a second one from scratch in this video.
All right, so I'm going to show you the that we actually pasted into Claude, and then I'm going to show you where we got the prompt from. We can go over here and click on this and take a look at it, right? So you've got we define the roles, we define the audience and who this is going to be for, the instructions on how to actually follow the prompt to Claude, all this advanced prompting right over here, and it just keeps continuing to go and go. Now, this is not a prompt that most people would just not be able to put this prompt together. There is a different frameworks right here. So we're using one of the famous marketers, Dan Kennedy, and this is a no BS direct marketing. It will train the AI before it even builds the landing page and builds the site for us. It will actually train it on what digital marketing is and what the language and style of writing and so forth. From the copywriting standpoint, these are all very, very important things. And then we have a design theme. We use the Cosmic Space theme, and we're going to rebuild this, right? Rebuild ClickSpark AI. This is a software that you can actually get for free. I'm going to be launching this in a few weeks. You can see this ridiculously amazing, just like getting a page to look like this. I've never been able to build something like this in WordPress. You would have to hire people without using today's technology, AI, Claude, all that stuff, right? And so we've got this really nice landing page right over here. And we're going to use the new software that I have called ClickSpark. Now, you can get access to this, right? You can just drop your idea. So this one is, I dropped this idea in here, and it's built off of the latest frameworks that, analyzed tens of thousands of videos and ones that get a lot of views. And believe it or not, the ones that get the most views are the ones that have optimized short YouTube titles that are just clickable. So notice that a lot of these titles won't say Notebook LM in them. We can, sample those out, and you can sample that out on your channel, but you'll see that some of them might have Notebook LM in here. This one's better than ChatGPT, right? You want to lead off with kind of a curiosity. So here's one: don't use a Notebook LM before you've done this. These are these different frameworks that we've plugged into the tool. So this is different than just going and dropping this into AI and saying write better titles or something like that. We've actually trained ClickSpark to create very specific titles, and then it'll actually choose the top 3 and choose the best one right there. So you can access to this if you want to pick up the product I'm going to be demoing in the video today. Get this for a free bonus if you purchase the product. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to actually build this. And the product is called PageCraft AI. I'm going to go over here to the sales page real quick and just show you AI. It did in fact get deal of the day. So it definitely, it reached over 100 sales. It has it's a good product, vendor with over 4-star rating, all that kind of stuff, right? I wouldn't be bringing that to you on this page or on this YouTube channel if it wasn't a good vendor and a good product. And I've already tested the product out and you already saw the results that you actually can get and achieve with using this software, right? It's basically essentially an advanced AI prompt engineer for you to create amazing landing pages. Now, it's only $19. And this goes away tomorrow. So I'm going to get this video out on July 31st. August 1st, I think that's when the price goes up. So you have about 24 hours to make a decision on this. Go read the sales page and so forth. So it's $19. There are 3 products in the funnel, $27 on 2 of them, and then $67 on 1 of them, right? So this is PageCraft. The reason why I'm making it another video is because this product was really impressive. And I think that these are the kind of products that they're super cheap. It's only $19, a lifetime deal. And it's not using a bunch of bandwidth. It's just really all the work that went up front in building PageCraft and the way that it has everything structured in it. You only have to pay one time, and it doesn't have a lot of resources. So the likelihood that this software is going to go away anytime soon is very low, right? Because they're not paying tens of thousands of dollars a month in API costs. And they're also not trying to be the next lovable.dev and actually build, where you actually natively build the landing page inside of the software. They don't need to do that. They just tell you exactly what to do and what to bring into Claude. Okay, so you got that advanced prompt right over there, and then it follows all the instructions, and then it goes and it actually creates the page. So I'll show you that in Claude. Now, I recommend using Claude. You certainly can use ChatGPT, Gemini, any of the other ones. But Claude, I think we can all mostly agree that Claude's the best for design and creating the best looking websites. And you can see right here, just a ridiculously crazy website that it created right there. So let's go build another one. So we're just going to take this ClickSpark AI. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of copy this right over here. The last one, we really did it just based off of a couple of different, I didn't even feed it very much information at all. So I'm describing my product, or I'm pasting a full sales copy right over here. So let's test this part out. Okay, so let's go over here and let's just say, and actually we'll just go over to Claude real quick and build this together, guys. So I'm going to go to new chat. I'm going to say, okay, so I'm just going to put this in here, 1,000-word sales page copy. I'm going to go ahead and just go like that, and we'll be right back. Okay, perfect. So just like that, we have our sales page copy right over here. So I'm just going to go and take a look at this. Yeah, we're looking good. This is actually did a really, really good job. So we're going to copy that. We're going to go back in. And then I wanted to also point something out that I didn't point out in my first review video. And that's why I'm making this video, is I wanted to test the software even further. The last video, go and watch that as well. I'm describing my product. We put in a couple lines here and then we selected. You can do a random roll, or you can come down here and select your top marketer or what kind of sales page you want to create, which is super cool. I think we did Dan Kennedy direct marketing. Would be cool to do voice customer on this one as well. But we're not going to use that this time because I'm going to paste this in, right? So we'll go and paste all that copy in right there. But one other thing before we do that, if you want to turn on or turn off, look at this. You can do bonus stacks right there, testimonials. Who is this for? So I'm going to go and grab that right there. I'm going to take testimonials off. So I'm going to switch that out right there. Need an action. You could add that. Let's just go ahead and add that, because then maybe I can do a quick 60-second video and then upload that onto the sales page if I wanted to as well. Everything you get today. So like you have all this, comes with some really good, defaults right there. Why I built this, what happens in 1 week, objections answered, final call to action. You can do all that stuff. I'm going to do an FAQ is really nice. Why this price, what else it can do. And I'm going to say continue. And then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to just go and I'm going to say a shift return. I'm going to say on the why this price section, say that I want to give everyone the chance to get this at a steep discount before it goes to price. Something like that. So I said what I wanted to do. We are going to paste this in. Remember those page sections. That makes this very powerful. And then we can go to continue to theme selection. Now we can go again and type in what kind of that we want to go with. Let's go with a different one this time, not the cosmic. Let's go with one's a super dark one right there. Let's do the trust blue, and then let's go create the mega prompt. We have all this stuff, sticky header nav, so a top bar that follows the reader down. Let's go ahead and push that on. We're going to say with the logo, let's just put LearnWire in there and then a logo image. So I'm going to need to go get my image real quick and upload it as well. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to just put that in right here, but what you would want to really do right here is put the brand. So you'd probably put like ClickSpark in this case, right? You'd put ClickSpark right there, and then you would put an image to the logo that you've created for your product. But in this case, I'm just going to show you LearnWire just so you know. It'll be on the page. It might not make so much sense, but we're going to be doing that and then get access right there. So nav auto from the sections, my own list. So we can actually click on this and put right there what we want on the header section. So this is super customizable and intuitive. I love it. Here on top, scroll, always solid, glass blur, shrink the header a little bit once the reader scrolls. That's super cool. You can turn that off if you want to. You can do a brand kit, your images. There's so much you can control over here, but I'm going to go ahead and just say build my prompt. And then we have a 5,000 word prompt words, John Carlton framework. So it did choose the John Carlton, even though we did not. I'm not sure if we selected that or not. So I don't really know if we could change that or not based on if we paste something in, it probably chooses John Carlton. Long pages are handled, 205 plus effects library, trust blue. And we have the prompt right here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the prompt to the clipboard, copy. And I don't know, like that's actually just like, does it like a note? So I find that you just have to go in here and then do a control. Nope, that doesn't work either. Copy. I'm going to go ahead and do not show that again. Got it. Thanks. And then I'm going to copy. And there you go. So just copied to the clipboard. We're going to come back in here and I'm going to go into a new chat right here. And then you can choose whatever model you want. I'm going to keep it on Opus 5. I think that's really great. We're going to paste that entire prompt in, and I like to click on it just to see we have this brand new one right here. Perfect. All right. And then now we're going to say go. And then it's going to go and start. It'll probably take about 5 to 10 minutes to create. I don't know if you guys have noticed that, but it does take a while because there's a crap load. We're building an entire website, massive coding involved. The fact that this only takes 5 to 10 minutes is just absolutely mind blowing. We will come back in just a minute. All right, so just so you guys can see where we're at right now and what it'll look like when it starts actually giving you some of the code and everything, this is what it'll look like. And we're probably about 8 to 10 minutes in right now. It's fixing to probably shoot out the site for us. So we'll be right back. Okay, so we have our site and let's take a look at what we've got. So this is what it's going to actually look like. And what you can do is you can actually just come over here to the drop down, and you can download as HTML, and then you can click on it and open it up, and then you'll actually see what it'll actually look like. Now, remember we put that logo in, so if I hover down, it'll actually show that logo right there. I don't see, okay, so we do have the get access right there. So this just basically means that that bar, the menu is going to stay sticky. We can turn that off, remember. You can even just come back in here and say, hey, actually, I don't like this being a sticky menu bar, and then you'll just customize it, boom. Now, getting this hosted, there's all kinds of different ways. There's a lot of tutorials. Just type in YouTube, Claude, a website up and running. I've used Netlify, and you just upload a folder with that HTML file in it and then upload it to Netlify, and it puts in your SSL security certificates, all that stuff. It's very simple to actually do this. And then there's many different ways that you could actually do this, but that's not what the point of this is. But just remember, there's another step in order to get this actually live on a website and hosting. You will need to do that as well. But check out what we've got here. So all these, we can skip to the pricing. I'm going to click on pricing. It'll skip us right down to the section right over here. $10.95. This just looks ridiculous, right? One-time payment, every video from here on out. Let's go back up, maybe up to how's it work. Now let's just go up here and take a look at everything right there. So heads up, YouTubers, affiliate marketers, creators, sick of watching good videos, die at 47 views. Your video isn't the problem, your title is. So we've got a really strong hero call out right there, which you always want to. ClickSpark AI writes 10-second click-worthy YouTube titles. Remember, we're talking about this product right here, and you can actually get access to it by picking up PageCraft with the first link below. Okay, so let's go and continue looking at this. And so we have you stop guessing, stop stalling, and start getting clicks on the videos you already made. A really strong call to action, and we are telling them it's literally just $10.95. And then you can see, you type it in, you push generate titles. So it created kind of a little demo of what this actually will look like. It doesn't quite look like this, but that's good. That's really cool, right? And then we can come through here, the part nobody warned you about. For people that like to read sales page, 62 views on the best thing you made all month, not because the video was bad, because nobody wanted to click it. Your thumbnail and your title are the whole edition. ClickSpark AI does one job and it does it fast. Boom. So you get the title, you get all this stuff right over here. And then it just continues to keep going and building the story. 10 titles per generation, multiple proven angles, unlimited regenerations, works on any niche, 0 learning curve. So this regenerations, I didn't even tell it that, but it did actually, that is true. You get to click the button. When you come down here on ClickSpark, you can come down here and you can just click 10 more, and then it just continues to start creating more and more titles for you. Copy and paste ready, a one-time payment. So this is really cool. Same videos, different result. The title box stops being the wall, boom, boom, boom. So you come through here, and then you can come over here and generate 10 titles. So this actually seems like, did it actually a new writing title? So this right here, let's see, boom. It actually is doing its own version of that, but we would definitely want to take that part away, see it in action right here. It basically, what Claude did was it took that and it actually built this on top of the landing page, but we don't really want this because we have a better tool than this. But this is pretty dang cool. And then if titles are the last step, you rush fixes it. Now, these are where you could actually come and switch these out with maybe images of the either research that you're doing, or these are just placeholder images. I recommend probably updating those, but those also do. The theme is great. What do you guys think about the theme? This is just a very clean, crisp, professional theme. 4 numbers, all about 10 per click, 15 seconds per batch. That's not true, but it is about 20 to 30 seconds. Now it was taking 90 seconds, but I've continued to code the software and continue to improve the iteration and the time. And we've gotten it to probably around 20 to 30 seconds, which is really, really good because it's doing a lot of analyzation, and the prompt that I have is very, very in depth database of information that it has to look through, and then basically compare that to your actual topic. There's a lot going on in the background, and it's doing it live. So of course it can't do that in 10 seconds, but it is pretty fast. And the one-time payment right there. So it just continues to say, hey, 20-minute version right here, the 15-second version. So we would just change that a little bit more. Here's what this is solving right here. So you just have the more people, like this is a long sales page, but this is what you need, right? Because some people, you'll have about 20% of people will actually you'll probably have about 80% of people will skim through everything. They'll stop and read a little bit, and you don't need it quite as much convincing, but you'll get about 10 to 20% of an audience that truly will read this sales page all the way. And it doesn't matter if it's a $10 product or a $100 product or a $1,000 product, they will read the sales page. So this covers you. This does everything for you. It does all the questions and answers. I definitely recommend reading through that, make sure that it's good. And then we have the price right here. And then right here, boom, someone clicks that. And then if I was going to sell this on Warrior Plus, I would need to update this button to my Warrior Plus link and all that. And I would need to add a little bit of down here in the footer area, some of the things that are required to sell on that platform, things like that. So really, really cool. If you were going to sell this on Stripe or whatever, you would need to hook this up with Stripe and all that. But you can do all that with coding from that point on right here. So wanted to get another video out here. This is ridiculous. You're using the power of PageCraft AI. And I think that these sites that it's building are way better than what I typically create from my own prompting. These are 10 times better. And so you just let PageCraft AI build the page for you, which is cool. Then you can do all the rest of your customizations right there. Remember, you can get free access to ClickSpark AI, which definitely could be looking like this pretty soon, a launch. So thanks so much. Hopefully, first link is below. Hopefully you got value from this video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.